Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Well, it's a regular Friday night, so I decided to fry some cod, and that's what we have going on here. And I'm making some succotash, and I'm making some cornbread. So the cornbread is in the oven, you can see that. And this is what I'm using to fry my fish, the batter. And then I use a little Old Bay, and before I fried it in the pan, I also squeezed some lemon on all my pieces of fish. So we have this being cooked up now, guys. So once it's done, I'll give you a reveal. Keep watching. Well, while we're waiting for the reveal, I want to say welcome to another quick and easy meal. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and her name for this channel is Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jennifer at Home and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So please swing by these other ladies' channels, check them out. They always have something that's cooking up good for you. Okay, so you guys just keep watching. Guys, these are the items that I'm using here. I am frying my fish in this Mazola Heart Healthy Canola Oil. I use the body of Saison Complete to season up the succotash. And I sprinkled a little paprika on my cod just to make it look pretty. But I flipped them, so this is what we're looking like. I just want to let you know that Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to join us, please consider chiming in with us. You can make anything from a smoothie, breakfast, lunch, dessert. You can do takeout. You can share your experience if you're dining in. We would love to have you join us on Quick and Easy Meals. All right, guys, here's the reveal. This is my Friday night special. I have some fried cod, succotash, and cornbread. Bon appetit. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.